the light of Christ in everything she did. From mentoring the young to comforting the weary, her hands were always extended in love and service. Though she may no longer walk among us, her legacy lives on in the lives she touched, the prayers she prayed, and the faith she lived. Every single day, may we honor her memory by continuing to do good and to work as she so happily did and joyfully began. May her soul rest in eternal peace until we meet again. That is Mangi. She was a humble lady, very kind, very compassionate. Family, we are still with you till the end of the journey. God bless you. Thank you, Tabithas, for standing on behalf of the women for JCM. Thank you, Njoroge.
Situwapigie makofi mazuri. Basi nafasi nipatie botop. Botop woke tuthomere rugano at least nigo tumanyane